Georgia is one of the most crypto-friendly countries for builders, but for ordinary people, Solana wallets are still English first, address first, and scared to use. I am Bachuki, I am Georgian, and I built Mzia, a voice-first Solana wallet companion that lets Georgian users receive stablecoins, send money, and understand the risk in their own language. გამარჯობა, ვინ ხარ?
მე ვარ მზია, შენი Solana საფულე კომპანიონი.
This is a real wallet on Solana. A family member, customer, or friend can send money into it. ჩემი კონტაქტები.
შენ ჯერ არ გყავს კონტაქტები.
Mzia is not replacing Phantom or Solana wallets. It adds the native language voice layer ordinary users need. I speak naturally in Georgian. Mzia transcribes, understands the payment, resolves Georgi from contacts, parse the amount, and prepares the transaction before signing. გადაუგზავნე ბაჩოს 2 ლარი.
ბაჩო, 2 ლარი. 6 სოლი. გავაგრძელოთ.
Dih. Solana is load-bearing here. Fast confirmation for voice UX, low fees for small stablecoin payments, and Solana Pay for transaction flow. This is real Solana infrastructure, not crypto added after the fact. The second barrier is trust. Non-crypto users cannot inspect transaction instructions. Before dangerous signatures, Zia stops the flow and warns in Georgian. No blind sign-in.
ეს მისამართი ცნობილი თაღლითია, არ მოაწეროთ ხელი.
Under the hood, Next.js, private embedded Solana wallet, Helios RPC, Solana Pay, encrypted local contacts, Georgian speech, and an AI safety interface designed so cloud and local models can swap without changing the product. I built this from Tbilisi for Georgian Solana ecosystem, and I am full-time on Mzia after Frontier. Georgia is already crypto-friendly for builders. Mzia makes it crypto-usable for everyone else.